Hi all! Yeah, finally I'm back with the Google installation process. It took me too long to find another method. Okay, let me make this point clear before starting the method. As of today, 30 June 2020, this method works perfectly well and there are no notification errors. If you follow this method as it is, you will be able to successfully install it. Have tested this on EMUI 9.0 and 10.1. On both the devices, the method is working perfectly well. If this method doesn't work anymore, the description will be updated and the links will be surely deleted as they won't be useful. So just read the description and don't ask for a link if it's deleted. If this method doesn't work in future, please don't comment that I am a liar, fake video, etc. And please don't ask me for any methods. If I find it, I'll definitely share it with you. With no hard feelings, let's start the video. Oops! If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, then surely it deserves a thumbs up. First up, download the file from the link in the description. Now go to the download file inside the file manager and extract it as shown in the video. Now let's start the step. Step number 1, uninstall backup app by going to the settings, apps, type backup, click the three dots and select show system process. Now see backup app and uninstall that. Step number 2. Now move the Huawei folder to main internal storage. Click merge. Step number 3. Now go to the extracted folder, install the backup APK. Step number 4. Go to settings, backup and restore, data backup. Click the three dots and restore from internal storage. Now it will show the backup file, select it and restore. Now put the password that is in the hint. Step number 5. Now open the purple G and click activate. Click the blue one. Remember, don't close any programs, let it run in the background. Just click the home button now. Step number 6. Go to the folder. Install the apps from 1 to 7, one by one. Now step number 7. Open FRP bypass app. Click the three dots and select browser sign in. Put down your email credential and password. If you have two-step verification, then do that. Now you will see couldn't sign in error. For some people it may go through. Now for people who got this error, don't panic. Just press home button and go to the folder and install the app number 8. Remember, don't close any app, let it run in the background. Step number 8. Now again come to the FRP bypass using the background apps and click next. Remember, don't try to sign in again, just click next. Step number 9. Now you will notice error notification will start. Don't worry, we are going to solve it in some time. Now open settings and check if Google is shown at the bottom. Sorry to interrupt. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. So let's move on again. Step number 10. Now uninstall the account manager app and FRP bypass as shown in the video. Step number 11. Now open Play Store and check if it is working. Now install device ID from the Play Store. Ignore the notifications. Step number 12. Open device ID. You will see the GSF ID now. That is the Google Service Framework ID. Step number 13. Now go to Settings, Apps, type Google, force stop and uninstall the Play services. Step number 14. Go to the folder, install app number 9 and check again Play Store if everything working there just by scrolling down. Step number 15. Now go to Settings, Apps, type Google, select Google Framework, click Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Step number 16. Now check if Play Store is working. Go to the folder and install the app number 8. Now you will notice error notifications are stopped. If it is not, then again do the last step. Select Google Framework, click Storage, Clear Cache and force stop and uninstall the app right now. Then again try to install the app number 8 from the folder. Now definitely it will stop the notifications. Step number 17. Now go to Settings, Apps, type Google, force stop and uninstall the Play services. Step number 18. Go to the folder and install the last app. Step number 19. That's it guys. Device is ready with Google services. Now let me show you by downloading YouTube and Facebook. Okay, the final step. Step number 20. Now go to the Settings, Apps and select Purple G app and uninstall that. Now you enjoy the Google services on your device. That's it from me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Manish and you're watching TechnSpice. We'll meet you again in another cool video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye.